Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's amplified Oasis of the Seas. We're actually up here on deck 16. Check it out. There's lots of pools. In the distance you can see is the Splashaway Bay. There's these casistas you can rent. There's lots of chairs, lots of seating. In the distance off to your left, that's the Atlantis Resort here in Nassau, Bahamas. It's on actually what's called Paradise Island. And of course, the lime and coconut. Great place to get your favorite beverage. This little bridge here is a great place to get some views of the ship. The Oasis class ships are actually designed like a giant hot dog bun. Got a split down the middle. Here we can see into Central Park down there. Splashaway Bay here. One of the pools on this side. And facing forward from here, you can see the Perfect Storm water slides. Flanking the water slides are two more pools. Got one over here, the beach pool, and over here, sports pool. Let's take a closer look. There's always something going on an Oasis class ship. Even in port, there's always activities, a lot of things to do. There's live music, there's games, trivia, of course, pools. You can see the water slides, tons of fun. Up ahead is the Sweet Sun Deck. Let's take a look up there too. It's guarded by this gate key. Alright. Let's go up here. Got lots of seating up here on the Sweet Sun Deck, even their own bar. Great view of the water slides. Some day beds. But like I said, there's a great view up here. You can see the lime and coconut off in the distance. Even Central Park down below. More water slides.
Oh, Adam's going.
Lots of lounge chairs. Lots of seating options. Good view of the solarium. Great up here. Check out the shower. Yeah, that's a shower. It's almost like a water attraction in itself. But look at this. Wonderful, comfortable place to sit. Yeah. I could get used to that. Another shower up here. Here's me in case you forgot what I look like. But you don't want to see me, you want to see this beautiful ship and this awesome view. I mean, just look at that. Look at the color of that water. That's just amazing. And totally unfair, because where I live, in the mid-Atlantic state of Maryland, the water is this ugly brown color. It's not fair sometimes. Alright, let's go down one more deck to deck 15. All right. Check out this infinity hot tub. It actually extends out over the side of the ship. Way cool. It's amazing up here. Beautiful views. Let's go into the solarium. The solarium is an adults only section. 16 and up. Hopefully you can see that in the shadows there. Look at this hot tub. Doesn't that just look inviting? Like you just want to jump right in? Unlike the Harmony of the Seas, the Oasis of the Seas has a pool. Cool little spray area there too. I'll let this gentleman through. We'll go outside. Hello.
How you doing?
Good, very good. How are you doing? Awesome. We're headed to the port side bridge wing. Named so because it's over the bridge. And this is the port side of the ship. These wings are available for the pilot and the captain to safely maneuver the ship when docking and undocking. Beautiful views up here though. Great place to hang out. And of course, there's one on the starboard side as well.
Oh, I want to be famous.
Hello. Hi.
Are you vlogging?
Yes. You want to be famous on YouTube?
Yeah.
All right.
Ice cream, that's all. That's all the
All right.
It's a great day.
It's a beautiful day. And tomorrow, a perfect day.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Woo. All right. All right. Had some fans there. We're headed towards the starboard wing. We'll check out the views on that side. All right, starboard wing. Gonna get the city view. Not quite as exciting, but it sure beats home. You can see the MSC Divina and the Carnival Elation are in port with us.
Okay, it keeps changing, right?
Alright, let's head back inside the solarium. Okay, we're out back outside. We're on deck 16. Alright, we're headed down towards the back of the ship on the starboard side. Looks like we got some action here on the water slides. Whee! Looks like fun. It's got its own cheering section. There's the beach pool. It's a nice view of the MSC Divina. Hello, sir. Very good. How are you doing?
Very good.
Awesome. All right, let's head down deck 15. Head to the back of the ship, where there's a lot more excitement. Check this out. This is called Unboxed. What is Unboxed? It's where you can find all the supplies that you forgot about back home. You get some kind of medications and stuff. In case you need some like antacids, band-aids, toothpaste, toothbrushes, sunscreen, all that fun stuff. Even phone charging stations. And that is Unboxed. We're now entering into a complimentary restaurant called El Loco Fresh. The fiesta starts here. Yes, it does. This place is wonderful. tacos, burritos, quesadillas. It's all here at El Loco Fresh. All right, the sports court. Some basketball happening right now. In case you forgot where you are, the Oasis of the Seas. Up here we have not one, but two flow riders. We're in port right now, so you can see the starboard side flow rider is not in operation right now. The anglerfish, deep sea fish, using the photosphere up top to lure prey in that giant gaping mouth. Ultimate abyss. Alright, and on the port side of the ship there's a second flow rider. Look at that. Two flow riders. Alright. Take a little walk in the sunshine. We're headed down here. Mini golf. And it's called the Oasis Dunes. Here on the port side of the ship is, what else? Port side barbecue. This is specialty dining, portside barbecue. Let's meet here. And this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969, coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Amplified, Oasis of the Seas. Hopefully you enjoyed this tour. If so, give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. If you liked it, that'd be great. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button twice. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully I get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching.